Next come to the part 2, that is the e-attestation process. For this you require all fee receipts that you paid to college in this academic year. For example, admission fees, exam fees, or any other the receipts like the development fees, etc. Then for admission fees and the all fee details actually required. Okay, so that the fee details you can get it from the college office. Okay, so that fee details is required for to fill in the index data. Okay, later. Then they scan the all fee receipts and fee details in one PDF, and PDF should be less than 1 MB. Then save the document in desktop, or if you are using mobile, save it in file manager by creating separate folder. So this is the scanned document. So here it is the fee receipt. So here is the three receipts are there. Okay. So for to fill the data index, that requires the fee details. Okay, that you get it from your college office. Okay, so admission fee, application fee, development fee, so like that you have to enter in the index data. Okay, so these are the fee receipts, so it is in one complete PDF format. Okay, this is just a sample. Okay, in next step what you have to do is go to the Google and type SSP, then post matric scholarship, then here it is for 2020-21 academic year. Okay, so click on this, then go to the student attestation officer. This is for the students. Okay, the attestation portal it is. Okay, so click on this, then you will get the student verification. Okay, so you have to enter the Aadhaar ID, then Aadhaar name, and here it is the captcha. Okay, Aadhaar number, the name. Okay, then the captcha as it is. If it is small letter, type small letter. So here all capital letters are there. Okay, then there is the box for the Aadhaar consent, then click on verify. Then there is the opening of this page, then this is the student portal. Okay, now select which university you belong to. Okay, so in this case here it is from the Karnataka University. Type here, then select the district of your college, then Uttara Kannada, then select the college of your taluka of your college. Here it is the Karwar, then the college you select it. Okay, then course you select it. Okay, so in this case it is BCom, then combination select it, then type of the seat. So if it is a government college, then government seat in government college. Okay, so here is the different the type seats are there. Okay, so government seat in aided college, private seat in private college, so like that. So in this case here government seat in government college, then select year in which you are studying. So in this case it is third year, then select examination system followed by your course. So here it is, if you are second year degree or third year degree, select semester. Okay, suppose if you are in the first year of your degree, then select annual. Okay, so in this case here it is third year, so we have to select semester. Then have you passed SLC before 2004? In this case, no, so no here. Have you passed 10th standard from the other state? In this case here, no. No here. Again, have you passed 12th from the other board? No here. Select the religion. So in this case here, the Hindu. Okay. Then select your the religion. So here general, OBC, ST, SC. So in this case here, OBC. Okay. Then save. So after save button, you will get this page. Then go to the fee receipt. Okay. Then all the different the index data you have to enter it from the fee details that you got it from the college office. For example, the development fee as per your the fee details. Okay. Then here it is. Then 30. Okay. 940. Whatever it is. Okay. So all the information you have to fill it. Okay. Like that you have to fill all the information here. Okay. Then here of the issue of the receipt 2020. Okay. So this is the total fee that should match with the fee details. Okay. Then you have to choose the document, and after add document, you will get the page like this. Okay. Then you just check it out whether all the information is the correct or not. Okay, whatever you have filled. Okay, then you can view that document here. Okay, you can view that document, close it. Don't forget to submit all button. Okay, click on this submit all button, must be you have to click, otherwise the document will not be visible for the e-attestation officer. Okay, so now I will delete this document. Okay, that is for the demonstration purpose it is. Okay, so after this, go to your e-attestation officer with all the original fee receipts and get attested. Okay, next we will see the step 3 in next video.